That's it! I've got a lock on it! All you have to do now is summon the Terrazord using the internal Thunderzord link. Press the triangle button to summon the Terrazord. Let's get Truenozord powered up right away so we can begin rescuing Kira, Ethan, and the Biozords. Mesogog's forces will be looking for us, so we'll have to move fast. It won't be easy. While I work on opening an Invisiportal, you need to get the Truenozord back into shape. Get Trueno to the red mission beacon. I'll give you new instructions once you arrive.
You got it, Dr. O.
You can walk through the tar, but it will prevent you from jumping. Are you ready to start Mission 1? Good work. It's time to get the Truenozord powered up. There are 3 power cells scattered around the tar pits. Grab all of them to fully power Truenozord. The physics matrix of your Zord will allow him to air jump. You've performed the air jump. Good work. Dino jump. Your Zord can't jump while in tar. Great. Tyranno's power levels have increased. Your Zord's power levels can be found in the upper left corner of your display. Now, grab the remaining power cells. Just one more power cell left and we'll be ready to test Tyranno's weapon system. Mission complete. Great work. Here are your results. You have activated a new red mission beacon. Go there and I'll upload the Trueno with the weapon systems test. Ready to start Mission 2? Now that your Zord is fully powered, it's time to test the weapon systems. Use the square button to unleash Tyranno's Dino Blast.
Wow, it worked!
That's good news. Your primary weapon doesn't appear to be damaged, but we need to be sure. Continue to test your Dino Blast on the remaining targets. We need to work fast. Mesogog's forces could be here any second. Use your Dino Blast to destroy all of the targets.
Let's do it!
Looks good so far. Keep testing out the various targets. Use your Dino Blast to destroy all of the targets. We're almost done, but there are still some targets left. Collect 100 Dino Bolts to restore all Zords to full power. You found a Dino Dart. By pressing the R1 button, Trueno will gain awesome speed. Use your Dino Blast to destroy all of the targets. Everything checks out. Your primary weapon tested perfectly. Mission complete. A new red mission beacon is available. Go there and I'll upload the final systems test for the Trueno. Start Mission 3, one more thing to test out. Trueno's Ground Stomp Special Attack. I've activated your first special attack. Press the circle button to use it.
Tyrannosaur!
Fantastic! You've released Trueno's Ground Stomp Attack. Connor, my sensors are picking up an energy surge somewhere inside the surrounding mountains. The only problem is, the entrance is blocked by massive boulders. Looks like you're going to have to break through. You will have to destroy the orange generators to release Dino Claw power-ups.
Let's go!
You found a Dino Claw power-up. With each Dino Claw, you will be able to unleash Trueno's Ground Stomp Attack. You need to find a way through the boulders and into the cave entrance. You need to find a way through the boulders and into the cave entrance. There's the cave entrance. You'll have to break through. You need to find a way through the boulders and into the cave entrance. You need to find a way through the boulders and into the cave entrance. Whoa! Looks like the cave entrance is clear. Head inside, but use caution. The energy surge has become stronger, and I don't know what it is. It's a lobber! One of Trueno is losing power! Destroy the lobber, or we'll never get Kira and Ethan back. Good work! You got him! Mission complete. You've collected a power morph. Collect all of them to unlock bonus Zord games. Move your Zord to the red mission beacon to start the next mission, or select another mission start pad to replay a previous mission. Are you ready to start Mission 4. There's the first wave of lobbers. Get used to seeing them because many more are coming. You've got to hold them off. I need more time to open the Invisiportal. Destroy all the lobbers and keep Trueno safe, no matter what! Those lobbers are giving you a beating. Don't give up! That was close. The tar pits are secure, for now. Mission complete. Start Mission Connor. I'm ready to open an Invisiportal to rescue Kira and the Terrazord from the other dimension. Only triggering the portal with Terra Dinosaur DNA can bring Kira and the Terrazord through. We've got to find some Terrabones in order to obtain the DNA. Searching, I think I found something. Yes, I'm projecting white beacons on your display to show the Terrabone locations. Head for the beacons and uncover those bones. It's our only hope.
To head for the back of the net! Let's make this happen!
We're running out of time. Find the fastest way to get all of the Terrabones to the Invisiportal. Sensors are still indicating traces of Terrabones. Pick up and deliver the report. Mission failed, but don't give up. Head back to the red mission beacon and give it another shot. Ready to start Connor. I'm ready to only trick the portal with terror. We've got to find. I think I found. Head for the beacons and.
Time to head for the back of the net. Let's make this happen.
We're running out of time. Find the fastest way to get all of the Terrabones to the Invisiportal. Sensors are still indicating traces of Terrabones. Pick up and deliver the remaining bones to the portal. time to waste. Find the Terra Bones and deliver them to the portal. Smart thinking. That's it! I've got a lock on it! All you have to do now is summon the Terrazord using the internal Thunderzord link. Press the triangle button to summon the Terrazord.
Thanks for getting me out of there. That place was creepy.
Welcome back, Kira. Terrazord is going to be a great help in defending the Earth from Mesogog. Mission complete. You have unlocked the Terrazord. Collected a power morpher. Collect all of... You have unlocked the Red Hawk Zord in the Rock Quarry. Move your Zord to the red mission beacon to start the next mission, or select another mission start pad to replay a previous mission. Are you ready to start mission? We now have 2 Zords to use against Mesogog. By using the Thunder...
Terrazord!
Guys, it's no longer safe in the tar pit. We need to get the Zords out through this Invisiportal, but first we've got to boost its power. You'll need a plasma boost. I've hidden one high within the mountains in the event we were attacked. You'll have to go up there, find the plasma boost, and bring it to the Invisiportal. Although the Tyrannosaur is great for exploring ground terrain, the Terrazord will give you the ability to explore high mountain passes. Using the Terrazord is a completely different world. To help you out, I projected a series of holographic rings for you to follow high into the mountains. Tap the X button to fly higher and higher.
This is gonna rock!
Fly through the rings and tap the X button to make the Terrazord move its wings and fly. This area is familiar. I'm getting sensor readings that the plasma boost is close by, somewhere up this mountain. That's not right. This tree is out of place. It seems familiar, but it's massive and of some strange color. Dino egg collected. This invisiportal is too weak to transport your Zord. This invisiportal is too weak to transport your Zord. Some kind of energy force strengthening it. Give Trueno's ground stomp attack a try. You now have the plasma. Get it to the invisiportal so we can get the Zords to Reefside Canyon. Take the plasma boost to the invisiportal so we can activate it. You flew through all the rings! Kira, you truly are a... Way to go, guys! We now have an access to Reefside Canyon. Mission complete. Are you ready to transport to Reefside Canyon? continue monitoring you from the underground base at the tar pits. Now it's time to rescue Ethan and the Tricerazord. Head over to the red mission beacon to get started. Watch it! There may be people inside. Try not to be so careless. Your Zord to the red mission beacon to start the next mission, or select another mission start pad to replay a previous mission. What are you doing? As a Power Ranger, your duty is to protect, not to destroy. Zord to the red mission beacon to... Are you ready to... Scanners are picking up that this area is rich with Dino DNA. I'm locking onto them now. With the Tricerabone, now go search the canyon for 3 Tricerabones. There may be people inside. Try not to be so careless. You found one of the Tricerabones. Keep looking. There are more to be found. Mission failed. But don't give up. Head back to the red mission beacon and... Give it another... Watch it. There may be people inside. Try not to be so careless. Are you ready to start missions? Scanner with the Now go search the canyon for 3 Tricerabones. You found one of the Tricerabones. Keep looking. There are more to be found. Great, you found another one. Hurry, the portal is beginning to collapse. That's the last one. Get it to the portal fast, and let's get Ethan and the Tricerazord out of there. The portal to the prison dimension has opened. Find the Tricerabones and take them to the portal. Hopefully, Ethan is still there. Now it's my turn! Smart thinking. You brought all of the bones to the portal at the same time. Dino Gem awarded. It's Ethan and Tricera! The team is finally together again. You have unlocked the Tricerazord. Ethan, the Tricerazord can't jump and doesn't have a projectile attack. However, when facing the enemy, press the square button just before Tricera is hit, and the attack will reflect back at the enemy. The Tricerazord is too heavy to jump. I'd like you to start Mission 7. Zord to the red mission beacon to start the next mission, or select another mission start pad to replay a previous mission.